You begin by placing the cover on a flat and clean surface. Then you weight it down just to prevent the cover from moving during the treatment process. We normally use a Mars Stedler eraser. It has low natural oils in it and it will not produce any chemicals or leave residue on the surface of the paper. Then you just get a common Parmesan grater and you grate the eraser until it forms a fine crumb. You can then carefully pour this crumb onto the area which you're wanting to clean. Using clean fingers, we don't use gloves because it causes static on the crumb. You gently can rub the crumb around the area and you can see that the bits of eraser start going darker colour as it's picking up the dirt in the paper surface. This is a more invasive way of cleaning than the spoke sponge. However, it is very good for getting into creases and it's very good for lifting the ingrained dirt out of the paper surface. So it's just a methodical process. You go down and you circle in a circular motion the grated eraser. You can press softly depending on how soft the paper is, or if you want a more thorough clean you can press a bit harder and pick up the dirt. Then using a soft brush that's probably about equa softness to the paper, you just brush the crumb gently off the surface, making sure that there is no crumb residue left in the paper. And that is how you clean. You can also use a commercial product which is grated eraser. It's exactly the same process. It's probably a little bit more expensive, but it's also available for most preservation sites.